Chlor Organo. It's Paul Seaver again, Palm Beach Springs Water Company. Today, we're going to fix a Chlor Organo unit. So, I already did the troubleshooting on this unit and broke it down and ordered the parts from Japan. So, long story short, what we got to change out is a power supply. So we got a brand new one. So no faking it to make it around here. So hardest thing about this whole job is just getting this unit apart. I tell you, it was a trick. I gotta remember how to put it back together again. This is the first time I had to take one of these apart. So, but down in Florida here we have power surges. It is a fact of life. It happens. This unit needs a surge protector on it. That's all there is to it. So anyway, we got this whole thing broke down. As you've seen, I just peeled the cover over very carefully so we can work on it. There's a little flap here. We're just going to take and tuck it under there out of the way. And we just, quite simply, all we have to do is change this one piece. So this is like I said, the hardest part of this whole thing was just getting to it. So all there is there's one wire here. There's one wire clip at the top. And then we just got to take some screws out. Yeah, that's the right one. Now hopefully this is all that's wrong. There's never any telling until you change this. And this part is the obvious, which I'll show. I can't remember if I turned the video on. Right. Careful to pull this out so as we don't lose the screws. Okay. Screw cup here. I hate losing screws. So as we can see, it had a blowout. Everybody can see the burnt component right there. So pretty easy. Just going to check it over, see if I see anything else on it. Looks like it. And I already had checked over the entire unit to see if I could find anything anywhere else. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Alright. We're in good shape here. So now we'll just set this back down in here. Get our screws. Then the fun begins. Oh, I gotta remember how I got this thing apart. And I'll tell you right now, it was not easy. I think I remember though. Better remember. the place to be dropping a screwdriver. Okay. I am satisfied that is tight. I'm going to put that wires back on there. I'm going to put these wires back on here. And that completes that portion of the problem. Throw this back in here. Market is bad. Don't forget. Okay. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Okay. This was really a puzzle to get apart. And it's only because of the unknown. So we know this comes back around here. Okay, that's all good. That's going to end up down in there. So this put this on there, make sure we get everything back in the right place. What are you doing, little boy? You gotta go poops? I hope not, because you can't interrupt me in the middle of my video. I'm just gonna have to clean it up. It's my little puppy Oshi. Oshi's short for Oceanus. The god of water. Right. So here was the problem. So now that I got this open and I can see it, I have to get this thing oh sure, it goes together real simple. You have no idea how long it took me to get that apart. But the thing is I don't think it's in there right. I don't think it's in there right. It's too easy. It was too easy to be right. There's no way. No way that's right. Somehow, it's got to. Ah, there we go. rusty. It's a crazy little deal right there. Oh, how the heck? First off, I don't even know how I got it apart. Begin with. Now, putting it back together. Oh, I think I got it. Yeah, I think I got it. Just needed a little tap. Just needed a little tap. That's gonna go there. Just like that. This. Okay. So. Now, I do know righty. Let me use this, keep my screws from flying around. What's the matter, Oshi? Are you bored? My poor little doggy? It's not all it's cracked up to be hanging out with me, is it? No. Okay, I think we got 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm pretty sure those all go to those. That's what I remember. So we're going to start there. And it seems to me I am correct. You know what I probably should have done before I get too far ahead of myself? Plug it in and see if it turns on. Plug it in and see if it turns on. Without the string, everything I got around. Let's see. Yes, it does. Success. The whole problem was it wouldn't turn on. Seems like it's working. All right. Just saying, before I go through all the trouble of putting it back together, may as well plug it in and try it. All right, the top is back on. Now remember, I took the top off last, so I'm going in reverse order. Not saying you have to, I'm just saying that's what I did. Okay. Now, okay, I got it. I got 2 super long ones. Those go up here. Yep. I remember that. So we put those in. Then never over tighten them. Everything's, you don't know if it's going to plastic or metal. No reason to over tighten it anyway. We got two longer but shorter ones, and I assumed they went into there, but I believe I just assumed incorrectly. So I don't think they go into there. Okay. So that means that we're supposed to have these two, but where did those two long ones come from? Where did they come from? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. As long as it all checks out, it's good to me. So I'm going to say that this one, or that one, on there, somehow, there we go. I had it there for a second. Okay, well, maybe I was wrong. Maybe it is the longer ones. Try this again. Should have went with my first instinct. What are you doing, silly boy? You cannot dig in the concrete. Oh, what's the matter? You just looking for a good place to lay? I got nothing for you, buddy. You're gonna have to rough it till I'm done. All right, now we got to put the bottom end back together. Put the bottom end back together. Okay. It's no big deal. All right, well, one thing we are going to have to do is we are going to have to tighten that up. Going together a lot easier than it came apart. That's all I can tell you. All right. know it seems like I'm jamming it, but it's exactly the opposite. I'm applying very little pressure. The problem is that there's a hose that they have looped. And so it's acting like a spring. So I'm trying to do it without using force. It's kind of like a trick. I think what I should do is secure it. Don't like the way it looks. Let's see. Don't like the way it looks. Not seeing screw holes. There we are. Let's do this. These things, you gotta have patience. I wonder if I ain't gonna. Maybe here they are. Why, oh why, oh why this does not want to slide together. I don't understand. It's doing better the other way. Okay. Ooh, see them. Okay. I should be able to put a screw in there. I should be able to put here. Well, then I gotta figure out how to get that pipe open. Okay. Let's try this. Patience. All I can say. Just a matter of patience. Alright, we got one in there. We need one in here. Here. And that means we should have one in there. No extra screws. All right, let's go around the horn. couple of these little white things. Couple of screw heads up. Cover back on. That's it. We already power tested it. Time to go back to the restaurant and put it back in. So that concludes changing the power supply on the Core Organo. Thanks for watching.